Hi guys, I'm Jones Crasto here. USS Stennis Overhaul, carrier in maintenance, fleet power restored. The USS John C. Stennis CVN 74, a Nimitz-class nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, will remain out of action for 5 years as it undergoes a major refueling and complex overhaul RCOH to extend its service life and modernize its combat systems. Join me on YouTube. My channel name is Jones Crasto, and follow on Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn for elite insights into M&A, luxury assets, defense and energy. The overhaul will include reactor refueling, flight deck renovations, and advanced system integrations to prepare the vessel for another 25 years of service. While the process temporarily sidelines one of the Navy's key capital ships, it's an essential step to sustaining U.S. naval dominance and ensuring readiness and escalating global maritime challenges. Source: National Security Journal by Jack Buckby, October 2025.